What's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna be turning this glider airplane that I bought from my son into a 2-channel airplane. It's a little bit beat up, but we're gonna make this thing fly. I know it's gonna fly. I know it's gonna be a success. You can hear him giggling in the background. That's my little co-pilot right there. It's gonna be better than me. I know it. But we're gonna turn this thing in more than a glider. We're gonna put 2 motors on it. It'll be a 250 milliamp battery. This small little thing that's gonna be our power to power that little small glider. And we're gonna get this thing flying. All right, let's get into the build. So total weight is 46 grams, and it's light. It's not too heavy. I think this is the ideal weight. Oh, showing okay, 46 grams. So yeah, hopefully this will fly. And this is an easy build. It's differential thrust, so we're using the motors to turn left, turn right. So I have to do the maiden flight right now. It was an easy conversion. Nothing complicated. It's very easy. I already have these parts from a previous plane that I had, but it didn't need it anymore. It crashed. It broke in two. So I just used the parts. I didn't, cut off anything. I just used it as is. So hopefully this will fly. I believe it's gonna fly. It looks like it has a lot of potential. So I'm gonna test this out outside and see how well it does. End up have to glue the wings on the fuselage because it was just moving around. I also glued the horizontal stabilizer or the tail. I had to glue the side so there's no movements around. All right, so we're gonna maiden this thing, see how it flies.
Yep. It's like a dot. You can see it. I can't see nothing now.
All right, so I believe that was a successful flight. What do you think, Jay?
That was pretty good.
It's pretty good. He was flying it for a little bit. I didn't get that footage though, but he was also flying it. It seems to be just
Fine.
a little. You could have, bring the battery a little bit forward, a little more, but it seems fine. But with this also, you can cut out your ailerons there, and your rudder there if you choose to do so. But I just use differential thrust because that's much easier. I'll be also using these electronics on another build because it's easy and it's simple. So I use some tape right here to just hold the battery in, and you can also put if you have an LED, you can hook it up right in that port, LED port right there. But this was trying to focus. This was a successful flight. And if you found any value in this video, guys, leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next video. This is a easy glider for a beginner. Well, I would say an introductory for the hobby, because you don't have any ailerons, you know, to really use. But it's nice to start flying and get in the air, you know. Simple build, and if I can do it, you can do it. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. God bless.